Today, Aki will be cutting a razor jellyfish haircut. Starting in the fringe with his layering, choosing a length that sits flatter to the head. Once the fringe has been blow dried, Aki gently chips the length to create softness and movement. Working with a horseshoe section, Aki chooses a length that sits from shorter to longer so the hair lays flatter on the underneath. Using a serrated razor, he allows the hairline to fall away to maintain all of the length. Making sure to comb each new vertical section out from its base to create a rounder horizontal shape. Through the top, Aki chooses a length that sits longer over the underneath hair he previously cut. Cutting a length that is rounder towards the front hairline. Taking parallel sections and directing each new section backwards towards the previous one. Once the hair has been blow dried, Aki uses freehand techniques to personalise the look for Sophia. And here's the finished look on Sophia. Let us know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching.
We're going to say like, subscribe,
Like,
share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
and then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.